Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we will be building the Galloping Horses camera. 1,650 pieces. Watch me build it. Before I forget, if you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for weekly content. Also, if there is any particular set you would like to see me build next, drop it in the comment below. I for sure will go through it. For now, let's get cracking. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did and subscribe to my channel for more enjoyable content. See you next time.